In the last video, we spoke about the relationship between menopause and heart disease. कैसे menopause can increase the risk of heart disease by 3 times because of the low levels of estrogen. But is it possible that we can prevent this altogether? क्या हम इस रिस्क को कम कर सकते हैं? Namaste. I'm Dr. Amia Kanakia, gynecologist, menopause specialist and a menopause coach. और अगर you are struggling with menopause symptoms or looking for some authentic information regarding menopause or women's health, then hit that subscribe button. I simplify women's health for you so that you can take charge of your well-being. So, अगर हम हमारी lifestyle को बदले, if we improve and if we modify our lifestyle, then we can decrease our risk of getting heart disease after menopause. Lifestyle changes have a powerful impact here. Let me break it down for you in 5 key areas that you can start working on today. The first of these 5 is movement. देखो, exercise is important, very important. Every day 30 minutes of exercise is definitely something that you must do. लेकिन आपको इसके लिए हमेशा जिम की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Yoga, walking, dancing, 30 minutes a day can improve your blood pressure, your metabolism, can decrease your insulin resistance, can improve your heart health. ये सब आप आपके घर पे बैठे बैठे भी कर सकते हो. Another thing is that make some small changes in your daily life. जैसे कि when you have to go somewhere close by, small distance है, walk करो. Vehicle use मत करो. 2-wheeler की आदत है, छोड़ दो, साइकिल यूज करो. 1 या 2 माले चढ़ना है, डोंट यूज द लिफ्ट, क्लाइंब द स्टेयर्स. दुकान से सामान लेकर आए हो, वॉचमैन को मत बुलाओ उठाने के लिए, खुद उठाओ, खुद सामान उतारो. दिस इज ऑल्सो अ फॉर्म ऑफ वेट ट्रेनिंग. देखो, एक्सरसाइज जरूरी है, देयर इज नो डाउट अबाउट दैट, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, these kinds of small activities can also be useful. They keep you moving throughout the day and help your heart. Second thing, eat for your heart. See, we Indians are foodies, agreed. Some of my patients tell me, Doctor, I live to eat. वो bland खाना मुझसे नहीं खाया जाए. But किसने बोला है that healthy food is bland and boring? Include fruits in your daily diet. Make yummy salads. Avoid outside food. मसाले use करो, बस तेल कम रखो. Excess salt avoid करो. And very important, ultra processed packaged food as far as possible avoid करो. Another thing, listen to your body. Avoid digital distractions while eating and eat to hunger. खाने का टाइम हुआ है, सब खा रहे हैं, पार्टी में आए हैं, खाना बहुत स्वाद दिख रहा है, इसके लिए मत खाओ. Eat when you're hungry and eat the right kind of food when you're hungry and the right amount of food as well. For example, I always tell my patients to take an extra tiffin with them with some food items like makhanas, fruits, dry fruits, some homemade snacks or even homemade laddus, so that you can avoid the urge to eat those fried snacks around your evening time in office. Small changes, but they can give big results. Third thing, monitor your numbers. Check your blood pressure, sugars check karo, cholesterol check karo. Check this regularly after the age of 40. Once a year if your previous reports are normal, or every 6 months अगर previous reports में कुछ गड़बड़ है. Don't ignore borderline reports. Early intervention is always better than emergency care and cure. Fourth thing is your sleep and your stress. Because chronic stress increases your heart risk. With a constantly high cortisol and stress, your body constantly stays in a fight or flight mode. With high sugars, high adrenaline, high glucagon, all that increases the workload on your heart. So try to cool down, calm down. Try deep breathing, meditation, prayer, or journaling. Avoid constant triggers through constant social media updates or constant scrolling on your phone. And prioritize sleep. 7 से 8 घंटे की नींद हर रात definitely ज़रूरी है. Fifth thing is to increase social connections. See, in today's world we are hyper connected, yet we are lonely. Phone छोड़ दो, go out, talk to real people. Our brain needs these social connections, these real social connections to feel good, to feel happy, to reduce stress and to stay healthy as well. I know midlife brings many responsibilities. Family hai, kaam hai, your aging parents are there, hormones are changing. But this is exactly the time and the reason for you to put yourself on your own priority list. छोटे छोटे चेंजेस हर रोज आपके हार्ट को हेल्दी बनाएंगे एंड आपको एक्टिव और एनर्जेटिक बनाएंगे. एंड दिस कैन कैरी ऑन फॉर years to come. याद रखो, menopause is not the end of youth. It's the beginning of wisdom and power. Let your heart be strong enough to carry you through this new phase of life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. And please do share this with someone जिसको सुन के फायदा हो सकता है. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to answer them. Stay heart healthy, stay empowered. See you in the next video.